Do you know, seven colors make a rainbow, red, orange and yellow, green and blue, violet, indigo too. Mm-hmm. Raindrops and sunlight make the colors look so bright. Red, red, red. The apple is red. Cherry is red. Strawberry is red. Orange, orange, orange. Peach is orange. Tangerine is orange. Carrot is orange. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Pineapple is yellow. Banana is yellow. Lemon is yellow. Green, green, green. Broccoli is green. Watermelon is green. Grass is green. Blue, blue, blue. Sky is blue. Ocean is blue. Bluebird is blue. Violet, violet, violet. Lavender is violet. Orchid is violet. Brinjal is violet. Indigo, indigo, indigo. Morning glory is indigo. Bunting bird is indigo. Night sky is indigo. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, brown, white, black.